First of all, we're going to look if there's zeros and ones, and there are, so we can put those points on there, 0 and 1. Oh, that's not 1. Always be careful of the scale. So we look for zeros and ones, and they give us another point there, negative 0.5, comma, negative, or 0.125.
Sorry for the interruption. If we can please now have the rest of the grade 12 students, last name beginning with the letter M through to the letter Z, as well as any other grade 12 students that have not yet gone to the cafeteria for their report cards A through M. Please report to the cafeteria to retrieve your report cards. Thank you.
So if you took the square root of 0.125, you get 0.35, just as an estimate, and to see that that would be above your graph. Now remember, everywhere between 0 and 1, your graph is going to be above. So this part is going to be above your graph. This part is going to be above your graph. And then after, it'll be below. So our domain for this one, x is bigger than or equal to negative 1. And our range, y is bigger than or equal to 0. So it's kind of weird with a cube root graph, especially since this one has another value at 0. And the questions you can do from this one are 10 and 12. But so far, the first three examples, we've been doing everything the same. Okay? Now, moving forward from this, if they asked you to graph anything and they didn't give you the graph to begin with, so if you were asked to graph this, well, what would you have to do? You would have to first look inside at the x minus 2 cubed plus 3 and do your transformations to do that. And then after you've done that, then you would go on to do what we've been doing. Look where it's 0, look where it's 1, and graph it from there. Yes? On this part here, why does it go above? Anytime that, so from our list of things, anytime that our original graph is between 0 and 1, it's above. Okay? And we can see it right here with this example. Anytime you take the square root of something between 0 and 1, it'll always get a bigger number. Probably easiest to see when you do the square root of 1/4. Square root of 1/4 is 1/2. So 0.25, the square root becomes 0.5.